thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the jewelry box by Silver and Gold. So we're going to be doing this unboxing, and then I also have some information to share. They have new subscription plans, so I'll just let you know what they offer. And yeah, that's about it. So before we get started, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do unboxings every single day here on our channel. So if you love subscription boxes, beauty, skincare, jewelry, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And also I just wanted to point out that my best friend ever, she's the sweetest, most amazing person, and so generous. She sent me over the Natasha Denona new bronze palette today, along with another gift, and this friend I'm speaking of is Nikki, or Southern Mom, here on YouTube. She's so amazing. If you guys don't follow her, she does similar content, a little different though, so if you love unboxings and stuff like that, you should definitely go head over to her channel. I will link her down below. She's been going through some hard times, her and her family, and she still did such a kind gesture sending this to me. She's such an amazing person. I love you more than chips and guac, girl. Thank you so much. I just wanted to ask you guys, I asked in my community tab if you guys wanted me to do like a dedicated video, because I know so many people, like especially like, you know, the legit like makeup artists and makeup channels here on YouTube have done videos already on this palette, or if you want me to incorporate it into a get ready with me. I was thinking that's what I would do, but I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Thank you in advance. But now let's get back to the jewelry box. So I have opened this box once before and I really enjoyed it. This is what it looks like. So on my note here, they're so kind to send to me, it says that I am receiving the same box that you guys would receive. I know some people think that like unboxers or like influencers, whatever you want to call people on YouTube, get better boxes than what you receive, but that is definitely not the case with this subscription. They even say it. If I ever thought that was the case with any of the boxes I open, I would let you guys know. So the jewelry box we're opening today, this one is $35 with free shipping, and if you subscribe, your first box is $10 off, and that's automatically applied. And they say the subscription can be canceled or paused at any time, and you can even skip a month if you want to. I love that that's an option. And yeah, shipping is always free in the continental US, and now they offer 2 allergy-free options. I know some people are very sensitive to certain metals in jewelry, so they have the gold box, which includes only yellow or rose solid or plated gold jewelry, and the plating is never ever nickel or copper. It's always over sterling silver. And then they offer the silver box, which includes only sterling silver jewelry that's always stamped 925 or 950 and never nickel jewelry. And now they're even offering a luxe box as well. This says the luxe box gives subscribers the choice of their monthly pieces from a selection, so you get more control over your box, and they'll ship additional pieces as a surprise with it, so you get a little bit of a surprise and you know what's coming. And last but not least, they offer now a Ring of the Month club. So this is for jewelry lovers who just want rings. So I think that's great that they're expanding and offering more subscription plans. So I will leave all of this information down below, and of course a link for their website. So let's get started. I don't have any jewelry on right now, so I'm gonna try on some pieces. When I open up the box, look how cute and colorful it is. I love blue and green. It says bonus discount. Here's an extra special discount from all of us to you. Save 20% on any item online. Use code MYGIFT. So I'll leave that down below as well if you're interested in shopping their website. And we have another paper here. I think this talks about the new plans. Yep, it says love rings. Join our Ring of the Month club. Only $18.95 per month. And then it also shows some of the items they have for sale on their website. So not only do they have all these subscription plans, they also sell some of their pieces, and it looks like they are currently having a 40% off sale. And everything is wrapped up in this tissue paper. So let's get started. Oh, we got another piece of paper here that says, thank you for supporting this small business. We love that you're a part of our subscription family. To show our appreciation, next month's box will include a bonus piece of jewelry. Awesome. So if you guys subscribe in your July box, you'll get an additional item for free. And then we do have a card here that lists the items along with the retail price. I love when companies include that in their boxes. And it looks like the total retail price for this box is $194.97. And all of the jewelry, they're in bags. I'm guessing this one is a ring, so let's get started. And when you sign up, you do let them know your sizes. Actually, in the first box I opened, they sent a ring sizer. Do you guys remember how excited I was about that? Because I never knew what size like ring I was. So I thought that was really cool. So I believe they oftentimes send that in your first box so they can get a sure fit, like that's right for you. Okay, the first thing we're pulling out is some earrings. Let's get it out of the bag so it's not so reflective. Ooh, these are pretty. It looks like it's like a tree maybe with some gemstones. So let's try these on. And this is called the Marcasite and Sterling Silver Stud Earrings and has a retail value of $29.99. I'm glad it's silver. So I don't know about you guys, but like I have a really hard time like interpreting things about like myself, you know, like in terms of like undertone in this case, like what my body shape is, like do I have normal, oily, dry skin, like it, you know, it should be like obvious. I look at myself more than anyone else does and I can look at other people and help them, but for me I was like, I don't know what I am. So I like went on this like spiral, I don't know about spiral, but I went on like, I fell down a rabbit hole, I should say, on YouTube, and I watched a bunch of videos like trying to figure out what undertone I am, and I'm cool for sure. I mean, I bet a lot of people will be like, duh, you're cool. I was like thinking maybe I'm neutral. I might like lean neutral, but I'm definitely cool. Okay, I can't speak and put an earring in at the same time. One sec. But yeah, so I'm definitely like cool tone more so, and they say that silver jewelry looks better, but for some reason I always gravitate towards gold jewelry. I don't know why. Maybe I just like it like aesthetically more. So I've been wanting to try some silver jewelry because it's supposed to like make you look better. These are super pretty. You guys can see, hopefully my ear's not a little red because I was just like playing with it a lot, trying to talk and put it in at the same time. And again, I'm sorry that if I'm like super up close and personal, but let's look in my mirror that's super dirty. I think these are super pretty. The little stones in them, I love. Is Marcasite a stone? I don't know, but this is made with sterling silver. I remember last time I got this box, I was checking everything to see if it had that like $9.25. I put these on before I did that, but we'll check the next items. Let's move on to what is in this bag. Well, it looks like if you do subscribe to this box, they have a referral program. So if you refer a friend, you'll get a free gift. I love when subscription boxes have referral programs. And here is our piece. So it looks like this is a charm that you put on a necklace. It's a sterling silver filigree and floral gemstone pendant with a retail value of $89.99. Wow. Yep, and this does have the $9.25 on it, stamped both like on the little top part and the pendant. So this is what it looks like. Looking at my viewfinder, I feel like it's not doing justice. I won't really know until I edit. But let me try and show you. I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell, but stamped there that's sterling silver and also on here. So I know that's important to a lot of people, and I love that this subscription service offers that. I've tried a lot of jewelry subscription boxes. If you guys have been around, you know that, and I think this is the only box that actually sends out sterling silver, right? If you guys know of any others, you can let me know, but pretty sure. So when they first sent this subscription, I got multiple chains, so I'm gonna put it on here and try it on. God, it's times like these, like a boyfriend or whoever would come in handy. I'm gonna get my hair out of the way and try again. Archer, can you help me? No. Okay, you guys, it's been about 5 minutes and I'm gonna need some help to get this on, but let me just hold it up to show you. And I'll try and like get it on off camera and like insert a photo if I can. Maybe I can convince someone to hang out with me, but Florida cases are skyrocketing, so I'm staying away from people. But anyways, I think that looks really pretty. I actually really like where that falls, especially with this dress I have on. Like, I think this looks cuter on than when it's just like sitting on the table, like the shape of it and everything. Sorry, you can see like my armpits, but I think this is super cute. So let's move on to the last item. It is in this case here, and it has the size on the bottom, and it says on here, if you haven't already told us, we need to know your ring and bracelet sizes for future boxes. So yeah, they also ask for like the centimeters of your wrist as well. I forgot about that part. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Look at this ring. It's Looks like the shape of a flower. It's a sterling silver sparkle ring chosen just for you with a retail value of $74.99. Wow. I'm gonna get out all the way. And this one fits. It fits perfect. The first time I measured my finger, it was a little too tight. And you guys told me after that video, they were like, make sure it can move above your knuckles. So this time it's the right size. I really like it. Oh, and let me double check that it's stamped. Yep, it's super small, but yeah, $9.25. So that's why it's expensive. It seems like it's really expensive jewelry, but it's because it's made out of sterling silver and better metals. And again, you only pay $35 with free shipping, but you get almost $200 worth of product, $194.97. Guys, I think this ring is my favorite. It's so pretty. I really like the earrings too. I like the necklace as well. I wish I could get it on. That'll be a problem if I like self-isolate longer. I'll get it eventually. It was seriously like 5 minutes I'm gonna have to cut out when I'm editing of trying to get this on. It was just going on too long and I was excited to see what's next, but I do like this. When I see it on in the viewfinder, I like it more than when I first saw it. And yeah, everything goes together, but yeah, definitely the earrings and the ring are my favorite. Like, I think I'll wear this ring all the time. It's like comfortable and so cute and dainty, and I love flower anything, and I love the color of that. So yeah. Okay, so ring's my favorite, then the earrings, and then the necklace, but I do like everything. And again, next month we'll get an extra item. I think that is so sweet and generous of them. And I think that's really awesome that they've included more subscription services too. There's a small business run out of Michigan. I love that. I'm from the Midwest. I grew up in Chicago, but my parents do have a place in Michigan, so Michigan has a dear place in my heart. I love it. So thank you, Silver and Golds, for sending me your jewelry box and for sharing information on your new boxes with us. And thank you guys for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.